Happy days, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. MasterTemple here, and this is the story of my greatest ever till raid. It dates back a year or so now, 2019, the 2nd of November 2019, but I've been asked a few times, and I thought I just want to share the moment with you, share what we found with you. Okay, long before I started making videos. And so one Friday or Saturday night, I can't remember when, I went out for a bit of something to eat from a local takeaway for the family. I asked the local takeaway guy, "You got any 50p's, my man?" And he says, "Yes, Dan, we have." And he got out a jar, deemed it on the counter. A lot of coins in there for your Uncle Daniel to come and get. So let's have a look at what we got. We've got 16 coins in total. Okay, some are alright, some are better than alright. So the first one there is the Battle of Britain. Now, if my hands appear a bit distressed, it's because I've been making something for the 1000 subscriber giveaway, and if we get there before the channel is won, happy days, happy days. Okay, we've got a public libraries, not going too great so far, is it, folks? Then we get a Battle of Hastings, and that's a nice coin. 2016. We've got a Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. Yes, I've been making things, painting things for the giveaway. So make sure you are subscribed and ready for that one when it drops. Okay. 2011 WWF, and that is possibly the best WWF I've ever seen. You can live down there. Just there. Right, so they're the normal commemoratives that we got. And then we got a stack of Olympics as well. A stack of Olympics. 10 Olympics. 10 Olympics. Now bear in mind, I got all these for face value. I was very, very giddy. That's a bit distressed, this one. Probably the worst one that we got. And it's a gymnastics. You can live there. But the majority of these are in pretty good nick. This one, canoeing. Of course, going back to 2019, I needed a lot of these for my folder, which you've seen a few times, the Big Daddy folder. Okay, we've got shooting. What a wonderful coin. What a stunning coin. You can go there. Okay, another 2011. Well, we know it's 2011. That's one. Handball, I think. Handball. I still get confused even after all this time. Now this is a super duper shiny one. I don't think the camera does it justice on this one. And it's a Paralympic archery. Beauty, isn't it? Beauty. We'll pop you there. And then we've got another one. Oop, come back. Boxing. Awesome stuff. You can go there. Okay, and then we carry it on. Now that's handball, I think. A goal ball. That's it. We've got them both anyway. So, but yeah, there's a little bell inside that ball, so the hard of hearing can fine tune, use their senses and fine tune where it is. Perfect stuff. Another pretty decent one. And that's basketball. Crazy times. Two left. We've got wheelchair rugby and we've got field hockey. Amazing. So again, I got all these at face value, which is, it's pretty hard to get nowadays, coins like this for face value. But the big daddy of them all, this one, when this came out, oh, my heart was going boom, 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 boom. Yeah, Yeah, I had to go outside and scream. you know, I phoned my family up. They thought I'd been in an accident or a fate or some mischief or something like that. No, nothing like that. I don't get up to anything like that. I got a Kew Garden, a genuine Kew Garden, 50p, and it's amazing. I also messaged the big man, Christopher, and told him the good news. I just couldn't contain myself. I didn't even eat the takeaway. I couldn't do it. Just so excited. Just kept looking at this. And unless you've found one, it's difficult to explain. It really is. It really is difficult to explain. A lot, it's only a coin, but it's not. It means so much. Finding one is just so difficult nowadays. But yeah, that's the story of my greatest ever till raid. Wonderful stuff. Back in 2019. Again, the oldest coin is a 2016. So there were plenty of coins about in 2019. I think these were sat in somebody's piggy bank and they've cashed them in for a pizza or whatever. I don't know. Sad times, perhaps. I don't know. But they found their way to the master's hands, and that's where they're staying. But great stuff. Now I want to know, folks, if you've had a hunt like this, if you've found coins like this, because it does happen. We've seen it on several coin channels where a boatload of cracking coins comes out, and then the king of the coins makes his appearance or makes her appearance. It's just amazing stuff. So let me know, folks. But until next time, do take care of the sends. Stay safe, and as always, believe. Happy days.